Here I've got Apple iPhone SE from 2020, and let me show you how to activate Night Shield on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select display and brightness, and here go a bit lower. Here you've got night shift, so smoothly click on it, and if you'd like to activate it right now, just click here. You can obviously deactivate it whenever you want to, but if you will not do it, it will be enabled tomorrow. So you can also switch it off the same way. You can also personalize the colors, so you can pick some warmer or cooler colors. So it's up to you, just pick the preferred option. But you can also schedule your night shield. So if you would like to have it activated automatically, just click on scheduled and now personalize the time. So turn on at, for example, 11 and turn off at 6 a.m. next day. So from now on, every day between 11 and 6, night shield would be active. And this is it. This is how you can activate it and use it, also personalize this mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.